I know there might have been adjustments over the decades, but today, what is the commonly held definition of life itself?
So one definition that people like to use, which encapsulates what you're saying as like fundamental pieces of it, is life is a self-sustaining chemical system capable of Darwinian evolution. So, there's a lot of problems actually from my perspective with that definition. One of them is whether you regard life to be self-sustaining. So viruses are an example. People don't know whether to place them as life or not. Because they're not self-sustaining on their own. And in fact, when we're doing, chemical evolution in the laboratory, like trying to study molecules, we don't know how to call them alive because they're not self-sustaining because graduate students are pipetting, like they require the graduate student.
Pipetting, that's a verb.
Yeah,
I know the pipette.
Yeah.
It's a little thing.
Straw. Yeah.
Yeah.
Put your little glass straw in there.
Yeah. So
yeah, you gotta move the molecules from one tube to the next to do artificial
So
selection.
why you do it? You say, I am crushing your head. No, okay, sorry.
Right. So there's many, or my favorite example is like, a parasite that, sits.
Okay, let's try a video.